Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to Go for Beginner series. So now next see the float data type. So in Go, float data types are used to store the positive and negative number with the decimal places. Okay, so now float data type also has the two different keywords or two different types with it. Those are float 32 and float 64. So both these data types are different in the sizes as well as the range of values that they hold. Now let's try to create one float variable. So I will say var. I will first create one variable. Let's say I think we already use t. Let's use e. Then I will say float 32. Okay, and give one smaller range value. Let's say 127.55. Okay, and let's create float 64 variable with large range values. So I will say var f, say float 64, and we will give some bigger value. Let's say 1.6, which is exponential plus 209. Okay. So this is how we can create the float variable. Now one more important thing here as well, as float also has a two different data types. Whenever you are creating the untyped variable, then the default data type of that variable is always float 64. Okay, it's not float 32, it is always float 64. So I hope you understand how to declare float variables. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one.